One red fox runs in the sun, counting animals is so fun. Two blue birds fly up high, flapping wings across the sky. Three green frogs hop, 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 bouncing by the lily top. Four yellow ducks say quack, quack, waddle forward then come back. Five orange cats chase a ball, playing games and having a call. Six purple fish swim around, splashing gently without a sound. Seven pink pigs roll in the dirt, laughing loud with no one hurt. Eight brown bears eat some honey, licking paws, it's sweet and funny. Nine white sheep go jump, 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 over hills and a little bump. 10 black ants walk in a row, marching fast and never slow.